Using this service is a relatively straightforward process. To get started, click the link provided and sign up, which will take you to a page where you can access the service. Initially, the free version has a quota of 10,000 characters, which resets every month, allowing for 10,000 characters of free audio generation forever. Additionally, there is a 2,500 character limit per generation, and access to a voice library with hundreds of different voices. If more characters are needed, it is possible to upgrade for a low cost, with the first month starting at $1 and including 30,000 characters. With 10,000 characters, approximately 10 minutes of audio can be generated every month for free. This service is ideal for those who only need to generate a small amount of audio, as it can be used completely for free. For those who need more, the options are still relatively affordable, with $1 or $5 per month providing a significant amount of audio generation. Overall, this service provides a convenient and cost-effective way to generate audio, with the option to use it for free or upgrade to a paid plan.